Alright, morning everybody. 11 o'clock. Me Ella have a late night. So now I want me do YouTube. So I gotta do YouTube. So I'm gonna try do it. So today I gotta do a full day, spend the day with me and Ella. As I can tell. Hey, my face I clear up a little bit, you know. But as I can tell, I have no makeup on. And this is a little Ella. So my dad tell on up on TikTok a little story say she wake up this morning, I'm a bathe her and she want to put on this sweater. She want to wear, this is her outfit what she want to wear. She pick out her shoes. She want to put on the sweater and a 70 degrees outside.
Mommy.
Yes.
I put it on your shoes.
Yes. So me put her in the shorts, you know. I love the shorts. I'm having a cute shirt for her, but she don't want it. So anyway, but I say, should I put my foot down and say, listen, y'all go wear what I tell you, I'll make her scream or not. But anyway, so Depop from TikTok, she sent me some soap for my skin because she'll look out for me and I'm gonna pick it up. So we'll go to the UPS store and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna make some lasagna tonight for my husband because me and him tired for eat out, and as a wife you're supposed to cook your husband dinner. So I have my keys, so come with us to the supermarket and do some errands. Your what?
My cootie on.
Your cootie on? Ella, I don't understand your baby language. Here's your teddy bear. Alright, so we're in the car.
That's a rampy.
Yes, it's Rampy. Alright, so she's strapping and we're ready to hit the road. Usually I have our tablet this, so but my husband have it in a film car. You ready? Alright, love you.
Love you.
Alright, so we reach a Publix. My love, so them have the little mini cart. So we're gonna shop now. Go on, we'll pick up a mini cart. Slow down, slow down. We have to look for pasta. Hey, we're right here. We're right here. We're looking for pasta. Yeah, it's pasta, but we need lasagna. Can you find lasagna?
Okay.
Look, hold on. Don't block the road. Come on, let's look for lasagna. Beam.
Mommy.
Lasagna. Ella. No, that's not lasagna, but yes, that's, you know, say she at Jamaica when she pick up coconut water. Put it back. Thanks.
So cool.
Alright, wait. What did you just get? You got a cookie. Yeah.
Cookie.
That's good. Alright, so we just leave Publix and we're going to the UPS store right now. So, run in and run out. So we just picked up our package. You ready to go open it?
No.
Alright, so I'm done my little errands. So Ella today I play with the box, strap in. So we're gonna go home and open this box and see what's in it. I love get gifts, you know, it just feels nice when I get some good gifts. So especially something for help my face because my breakouts is insane. Alright, so I'm gonna just get Ella our lunch. I'm gonna make her some chicken nuggets. I'm gonna make her chicken nuggets, but
Mommy, don't eat it.
I'm not gonna eat it. It's for you. But instead, I just made her SpaghettiOs because it's quick and she's probably really hungry. So I gave her that because when she wake up, she don't like eat right away. So I'm always give her fruits and vegetable. So she love our little SpaghettiO. So let's make her that.
Mommy, don't rush it.
Okay, you got it. Anyway, I go pack out the grocery them. And then Ella like fit. She don't eat her lunch, so she do this weird little thing where she want to hang out on the the stool and so she's pooping. So I leave her this so since she in her zone, and me I go walk over here so and wash up the dishes them. You know, so I forget to do the my dad do the unboxing video for Uno, and then what happened was I post it on TikTok, so yeah, me put the link to that when I post it and send it over. I tell you, it's hard to do TikTok and YouTube at the same time because YouTube you have to film in a certain way and TikTok you have to film. So, but maybe I can put in a little clip of it so I can see it. So anyway, I'm gonna do my dishes. Alright, so dishes clean. So now I go clean my microwave and then pack out the groceries. See? She's still there on it. You alright, baby? You alright? What's wrong with you? Beans. Beans. Beans, what's wrong? Beans. Alright, she in her, see? I tell her she's in her own zone. So anyway, my microwave messy, so I'm gonna clean it. Yes. Come where? Alright, I think I'm gonna stop the vlog now. As you can see, now I sweat. I just done clean the microwave and I'm gonna show her the unboxing video real quick. But she's tired and she keep on a whine, so I'm gonna try put her down for her little midday nap. And then when she asleep, I cook my dinner, post some stuff on Etsy, and start order my wig today because the wig I have on I get dry up. And as I can say, both are tired. Thanks for stay this long with me. I try this little vlog thing, but boy, I don't know. Anyway, alright. Say bye-bye, Ella. No, you TP? You TP? No? Okay. Alright. Later, guys.